Hi everyone, here's KSTYLEYO. Today I'm going to talk about how to pronounce L sound in Korean. Welcome back. If you're new here, my name is Inyoung. I post videos about Korean language and culture every single week. If that interests you, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell. So today we have a question that was raised by Ana Carolina Oliveira. Hopefully I pronounced your name correctly. So much problem to pronounce L sound. Please make a video about it. But this is a question for a lot of people who are just starting out, even when you're getting into intermediate level, but still this can be kind of difficult. As you know, in Korean alphabet, we don't have R or L sound exactly like English alphabet letters. In Korean, we have just one single consonant to pronounce those two in English. For me, I usually just explain to my students that just relax your tongue, trying to pronounce the sound in a syllable rather than pronouncing just the consonant itself. Let's say we're gonna pick a vowel, A, and pronounce it as la, la. It sounds more like L sound rather than R sound because the consonant is placed as first consonant in a syllable. If the Korean letter is positioned as last consonant in a syllable, it sounds more like R. Let's give it an example of 발. I don't know why I thought about this example. It means foot. 발. It sounds more like R. As you can tell, the difference of my tongue position is changed. So first one is la. La. It's more like flat and relaxed. The other one, 발. 발. Kind of roll my tongue as if I'm pronouncing R. But we don't say bar. We say 발. So we don't exaggerate as if L like la or bar. We just say la, relaxed, flat, 발. A little bit roll your tongue. And let's give another example for each. Korean music. What is music? 노래. 노래. 레. Sounds like L. 레. Flat. 노래. 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 Flat. The other one, 선물. This is gift. 선물. 물. I kind of roll my tongue. 물. 물 can be water. 선물 is gift. 노래, 선물. 노래, 선물. I hope this video is useful for you. Try to listen to how Korean people are pronouncing that letter. And if you want to follow my Instagrams, KSTYLEYO and learn Korean phrase, I personally record my voice to read commonly used Korean phrases. Hopefully that's gonna help you out to practice this particular Korean letter. If you have any questions, always leave it in the comment down below. And thanks again, Anna, for raising that great question. If you also want your question to be featured in the future video, feel free to comment down below. And I see you guys next time. Bye bye!